Do you have a plum tree like the 5 that we own, and you're looking for things to do with your plums? This is the second in our series of plum creations, and we are going to be talking about jam today.
Yay!
We're going to show you ways that you can do your plums. There are 3 different products that we are going to make using our plums this year. We have already talked about making plum juice, and today we're going to talk about making plum jam. And our next video will show you our 3rd thing that we're going to do with our plums this year. Yeah. My name's Tammy.
My name's Mason.
And welcome to City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto, it is our way of life.
Yes. I love the plum juice. Wait, we have to say hey guys before we pick. Hey guys, we're gonna pick some blueberries.
These are plums.
Right there, I don't care, some plums.
Okay, why don't you hold the bucket up? When it's plum harvesting season, it's all hands on deck and the whole family gets involved. There's the 3rd bowl. So we got all kinds of plums.
We kept half of the plum bowl.
Next, we wash and de-stem our plums, then put them on to simmer. Okay, they're all done and I have them on the stove to simmer. I'm gonna simmer them for quite a while until the berries break all down, because I have to have them thin enough to, or broke down enough to run them through the potato ricer. And when it's all done, this is what the plum pulp looks like when it's all run through it. And here's what's left of the skins and the plum stones that I'm going to then use to make some plum stone glaze. Nothing goes to waste. Next, we add sugar and bring it to a boil and follow it with our pectin. Boil for 1 more minute. Next, we're going to fill our recycled jars. We're adding paraffin to the tops to seal them rather than using canning mason jars.
This one's kind of full.
Okay, well. Okay, that's good. And there we have our jam, plum jam. Thank you for joining us today as we create our plum jam.
Yes, as always, happy homesteading adventures.